We're in Blackbrook today to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property with a garage, with parking on the driveway for up to 3 or 4 cars and a very large rear garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
And you said that you were alright, but you were late. I didn't understand. You're still the only person who I wanna be around. What's it gonna take? Another chance on me. What's it gonna take? Another chance on me. What if I say I'm sorry? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know I'm sorry. What if we never said goodbye? Or can we go back and try to keep us alive? I wish I had made some more time. Ooh,
So if you like the look of this property and you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.